You can use the pointy set tweezers that come in this pack. Now I'm just taking out the gem out of the nail bowl. Here's the Sassy and Chic eyelash adhesive. So now I'm just gonna add a little spot. You can mark it, but I'm just gonna wing it like it is what it is. So I'll just put a little dot. This eyelash adhesive is so bomb, y'all. So where do I want it, like? You really don't have to wait for it to dry. Now I'm just gonna try to place it. Try to make sure that it's kind of sticking to my finger a little bit. Okay, so now it's on and now I'm just gonna like push it down some. Okay, so it's on there. I'm gonna add some lipstick. And then that's it. It's really simple. I'm gonna add the rest of my makeup and any other final commentary that I may have. I think it looks natural. Maybe next time I need to work on my placement a little bit more, but I think it looks cute. So y'all gonna be seeing this a lot in my videos. And like I said, I use the Sassy and Chic, the gems that's in the bowls right there. I just took them out. And then I booped it with that Sassy and Chic eyelash adhesive. I'll be trying to tell y'all, like, that eyelash adhesive is so tacky. It's so good. That's what I use for my eyelash right now. Yes, but make sure y'all get your hands on, you know, everything that I pretty much showed. And now for the smack test. Now for the smack test. Now for the smack test. Oh! So it's not going anywhere, and that really hurt. But anyway, it's not going anywhere. So it's not going anywhere. Go like that and all this other stuff. It's not moving. I'm telling you, it's that Sassy and Chic eyelash adhesive. And that's it. Let me know what y'all think. So, yeah, let me know what y'all think.